Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Rizky Ardaniansyah from the Islamic Education Management Study Program, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training UIN Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. On this occasion, I will present my paper entitled Philosophy of Education and Globalization. Globalization has brought many changes in various fields, including education. In Indonesia, education system and management are encouraged to adapt to global development, such as the use technology and international-based curriculum and the competition for human research. However, globalization also poses challenges, such as the fading of local cultural values and the entry of foreign ideas that are not necessarily in accordance with the nation's identity. The philosophy of education is important to understand and respond to these changed wills. With a philosophy view, we, we can access the direction of education so as not to lose its value, identity, and main purpose. In, edit, in addition, education management must also be able to adapt to global challenges. Therefore, this paper is prepared to discuss its impact of globalization on education in Indonesia. The view of education philosophy on this challenge and the application of education management in a real context. Specifically, the objective of this presentation are: number one, explain the impact of globalization on the education system and management in Indonesia. Number two, analyze the view of education philosophy in responding to the challenge of globalization, the effect, fuels, cultural, and the direct of education. Number three, examine the application of education management practice in facing the challenge of globalization through specific case study. The positive impact of globalization. Let's start with the impact of globalization on the education system and management in Indonesia. Globalization has a significant impact on education system and management, both positively and negatively. Positive impact include insert access to information and knowledge, as well as the potential for global collaboration in education. Globalization also allows instructors and students to access information and learning material from around the world, so students can gain a deeper understanding of various disciplines and international connects. Globalization has also influenced the development of a more open curriculum with a focus on cross-cultural awareness and world knowledge. International curricula, such as the International Bicaurality on Cambridge International Examination, are now being adopted by many schools and universities, giving students the opportunity to study a wide variety of courses and gain a deeper awareness of international issues. Other positive impacts are the universal access to information, the creation of professional and international standard human beings in the field of education, and the Indonesia World of Education that can com- compete with other countries. The negative impact of globalization. However, there is also a negative impact of globalization on education. The world of Indonesia education can be controlled by the owner of capital. In addition, the world of education will be dependent on technology, which has the impact of the emergency of an instant tradition. Globalization will also give break the group in the world education. The erosion of cultural due to the entry cultural from outside and the relaxation of the power of education control by the state are also negative impacts that need to be watched out for. The challenge of globalization in education philosophy. Next, let's examine how the view of educational philosophy responds to the challenge of globalization. Globalization has brought significant change in various aspects of life, including in the world of education. In the era of globalization, interstate and intercultural in- interaction have become interlinked instant. So, education faces complex new challenges, especially in multicultural contexts. Globalization accelerated the exchange of ideas, values, and technology, which provides great opportunities for education development, but also challenges related to cultural diversity, identity, and equal access. In an in a accelerating dynamic of globalization, education plays an important role in creating a global competitive society while maintaining local identity. Sustainable education is not only a necessity but also an obligation to ensure that future generations have the ability to adapt to the rapid change in the world. The imbalance often leads to value conflicts, the effect to effectiveness of education in different regions. In addition, globalization triggers cultural homogenization, the can threaten diversity, where many local communities lost the identity due to the pressure of global values. Integration of global education and cultural philosophy. The integration of educational philosophy with global cultural aims to create harmony between local traditional wisdom and the dynamic of global modernization. Number one, strengthening local values through education philosophy-based curriculum. Local values have a critical role in building a strong cultural identity amid the pressure of globalization. By incorporating local wisdom such as mutual cooperation, tolerance, and sustainability into the curriculum, students can develop a sense of responsibility towards the community. Number two, the role of global cultural in increase intercultural tolerance. Globalization expands student understanding of the world's cultural diversity. A careful design multicultural curriculum can help promote toleration and cross-cultural understanding. Number three, the importance of teacher competence in the integration of local and global values. Teachers are the main actor in the successful integration of global educational philosophy and cultural. Teacher training focus on continuing education can extend the effectiveness of teaching local values that are contextual in global issues. Teachers need to have the flexibility to adapt teaching methods to the needs of students while utilizing technology to support learning. Role and function of education management. Let's turn the practice of education management in the face of the challenge of globalization. Globalization brings significant change in various aspects of life, including education. Globalization requires educational institutions to transform by adopting international standards and practice through technology integration, academic mobility, and cross-border collaboration. This condition requires educational institutions to not only focus on developing local competence, but also to expand the horizon and capabilities in order to compete at the global level. In the face of the dynamic change, education management plays a role as a strategic manager who directs educational resources and process toward achieving goals relevant to global challenges. Education management is not just an administration, but visionary leadership. This, this is able to integrate innovation and adaptation to change in the external environment. Therefore, education management practice must integrate strategy planning, organizing, implementation, and evaluation that are responsive to global needs. Implementation of education management practice case study. As a concrete example, a high school in Indonesia has implementation and education management practice oriented to the challenge of globalization by carrying out several strategy innovation. Number one, revision of vision and mission. First, the management of the institution revises the school vision and mission, the explicitly aim is the development of student global competition, including foreign language master, information technology skill, and multicultural understanding. Number two, revision of curriculum and teacher training. Second, the school curriculum is revised to include learning material that cover global aspects such as cross-cultural studies, digital technology, and the development of relevant soft skills. Management also initiates an ongoing training program for teachers to be able to master modern pedagogy and digital learning technology. This step is supported by the provision of adequate technology, facility, and infrastructure. Number three, monitoring and evaluation. Third, management routinely monitors and evaluates the implementation of teacher capacity building program and student learning outcomes to ensure the effectiveness of the strategy implemented. The results of the evaluation are used to make continuous improvement in education management. Challenge and obstacle. Despite various efforts have been made, education management faces several obstacles such as limited funds. resistance to change from within the school, and disparity in access to technology between students. The effectiveness of education adaptation to globalization is greatly influenced by national policy, sport, and institutional capacity to optimally manage resources. Therefore, synergy between government, policies, education management, and school community is needed to overcome these barriers. Conclusion: globalization has a great influence on education in Indonesia, with positive such as of access to information and quality information, and negative such as the loss of local cultural value. The philosophy of education helps use maintain the direction and value of education so that it remains in accordance with the nation identity. Education management must be able to adapt to global challenges through the right strengths, such as curriculum update, teacher training, and the use technology. The basic the obliges the cooperative of all practice in very important, so that education in Indonesia remains advanced and competitive. Suggestion: in order for education in Indonesia to face the challenge of globalization well, cooperation from various practices is needed. Governments should develop policies that are able to maintain a balance between local value and global demands. Educational institutions are also expected to develop a curriculum that integrates local wisdom with global insight. In addition, teachers need to improve competence, especially in the use technology and understanding diverse cultures. The community and parents must also be involved in supporting education that remains rooted in national value but is open world development. Thus, my presentation hopeful when a context can provide benefits and a better understanding of the philosophy of education and globalization. I apologize of there are any shortcomings. Thank you for action. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.